guys, my name is Minatullah Ibrahim. I'm a journalism junior at Northwest University and I'm also the multimedia reporter for the Daily Q. I wore the hijab when I was in grade 7 and I usually wore it the normal way, but as I grew older I started playing around. I started watching YouTube videos on how to do different styles, and a lot of people ask me how do I do my turban, so I decided to make a turban tutorial for you guys. So the first one is normally I get it either online, or I'll put you guys the link below, or from Islam Mall. There's small booths that sell it. It's basically just you put it. It doesn't need any style or anything. I usually put it when I'm very lazy, I'm going out and I don't have time to do anything. The second one is this cotton kind of scarf. So basically you're gonna fold it just a small bit. You have to kind of figure out where's the middle part and then put it exactly in the middle, and then take it up both ways, fold it from right to left, I think, yeah. I really hope this turns out okay. Okay, after you fold it, no, after you what? After you yeah, you're gonna do this, and then from here, you're just gonna put it inside very neatly, very tight. It has to be very tight. And then you take the other one and then kind of put it also on the other way so it wouldn't look tacky or anything. And then, yeah, you have the first one. You can also use it in a different way. So also fold a little bit. Take it and then tie it at the end. The back, tie it really hard, and then kind of wrap it, and then wrap it around your bun. If you have a really short hair, you have to use a really fluffy kind of tie. And then put it here. It will be shaped a bit like a donut or cinnamon roll. And then you have the second style. You guys can see I'm a pro at this. Okay, let's just put it here. For the silk material, so this one is really soft. So it's gonna take a little bit more effort to do. Fold it, fold it, fold it. Put it, tie it. And then you're gonna grab the right one, or if you're a lefty, just grab the left one, but I feel more comfortable doing it with the right one. And just slowly wrap it around your head so it will create this kind of layers, so your head won't look very big in the hijab because the silk material is very thin kind of. And then you're just gonna put it inside, and then for that one you're just gonna like a churros, and then create around your bun a cinnamon roll. That's it. Or you can just not tie this and then leave it that way. You can also just do it that way if you don't want to show your neck. It's always easy, it looks nice. You can show your earrings even. So it can work multiple ways. For this material, I think it's cotton too, I'm not sure what is this material. Basically gonna do the same thing that we did. I've never done this before. This is not working out. People are laughing, but I think it's very cool. Okay, that's it. That's my intro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was a little bit useful. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And yeah, bye.